gon' burn it down? Who gon' burn it down? Burn it down. Burn it down. Who gon' burn it down?
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to Shoeperfly. That's Shoeper fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Shoeperfly or a don't buy. So without further ado, it is the often imitated, never duplicated, category-defining two-strap wonder from Birkenstock. The Birkenstock Arizona Essentials Eva Sandals are both a comfort legend and fashion staple. As I told you, I'm bringing what's hot and happening in the year 2020 with shoe trends. This year, it's the ugly sandal. That orthopedic looking or sport leaning comfort sandal that many of fashion's chicest are wearing with the same regularity as the usual comfort crowd. As temperatures rise, celebrities, designers, fashion editors, influencers, and well, just about everybody has comfort shoes on the brain. On and off the runways, so we're seeing more of the quote-unquote ugly sandal trend, from the comfortable and sensible to the slightly chunky and eccentric. Don't matter if you like it. Whichever way you go, you gotta go ugly or go home with a sandal. So, are you going ugly or are you going home? In August, Kendall Jenner went ugly, stepping out in what is currently labeled the world's hottest shoe. According to global fashion search platform list, Birkenstock's Arizona Sandals is the top product right now. So it's no surprise that the Jenners, Britney Spears, Vanessa Hudgens, model Heidi Klum, and actresses Lisa Bonet, Emma Roberts, Jessica Alba, and Paula Patton, just to name a few, are also fans of the comfortable style. If you're wanting the hottest trends and what's popping in celebrity footwear, then subscribe to my channel and get more. With adjustable straps and a magical cork footbed that conforms to the shape of your foot, these Birkenstock Arizona Essential Evas are truly custom fit, as effortless as the classical design. Here in all white for $44.95, excluding tax and shipping, from Amazon.com, and a size 39, which is in translation a size 9 to 9.5 in either regular or narrow. Offered in either regular or narrow. The legendary two-strap design from Birkenstock is an anatomically shaped Birkenstock footbed in the design of Eva, and my idea of a Shoeperfly ugly sandal. The sandal truly forms to fit and is easy to walk in. A definite do buy. First, it's unisex, of synthetic, waterproof, and lightweight washable material, and features a raised toe bar that encourages a natural gripping motion of your feet exercising the legs and stimulating circulation. Just about everything you don't want your pretty sandal to do and be. It may feel a bit awkward walking at first, as the already embedded contour footbed with 4 arches will cause you to feel somewhat off while walking if you don't place your foot just so. But the footbed with the arches help to ensure even weight distribution and proper posturing, because you know us girls have to keep our posturing right and on point. So I'm not mad. I'm not mad. The deep heel cup cradling the heel, and here's the cup that cradles the heel, keeping natural cushioning right under the heel bone, is a must for everyday casual wear, lounging and or running errands if you want to avoid bad feet, I guess. Nobody wants bad feet. Hey, they're super duper lightweight and can be worn with almost anything. Now, what sandal do you know can do all of that? None. That's why it's a Shoeperfly ugly sandal. So why did I go through Amazon and not Birkenstock's website, you might be asking? Because that would be a good question. Because I did not purchase these from Birkenstock.com. Amazon.com, unlike Birkenstock's website, offers the Eva in 15 varying colors, whereas Birkenstock.com only offers them in 6 colors at $44.95, which are pretty much the basic of colors, whereas Amazon.com has way cuter colors, or uglier colors in this case. Anyway, made in Germany and of Eva upper insole, outsole, and footbed material, which is ethylene vinyl acetate, a high quality, very light, elastic material with very good cushioning, resulting in its smoothing out slight irregularities in the floor while walking and ensuring that every step is softly cushioned. Wow. Here's another little incentive for purchasing the Birkenstock Arizona Essentials Eva Sandals. Share your Birkenstock style and inspire others by simply mentioning @Birkenstock on Instagram to become part of their highlight gallery on Birkenstock.com. So in essence, show off your ugly sandals and receive recognition. Now, I must acknowledge those Birkenstock fans. Would they be called Birkenstockers? Okay, I think I'm going to call them Birkenstockers. Now, I must acknowledge the Birkenstockers out there who do not identify the Birkenstocks as a quote unquote ugly sandal by saying this: I love you and more power to you. Keep doing the damn thing. But Birkenstocks are an ugly sandal by Shoeperfly standards, albeit a purchasable one in this case. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel and tap that bell so you can get a notification each and every time I post.